It's your boy, Hash Info. We're getting right into it. How you doing? We're making pizza today. I'm buck naked, and I'm making pizza. What could be better, right? What could be better than pizza made by the Hashman a la buck naked, right? So there we go. I find it awesome when the establishment doesn't give me they don't want the Hashman really getting too famous, it looks like sometimes, right? So the establishment, the scum suckers that sit in the tall buildings and do nothing all day besides order millions of people around, the establishment. From royals to silver spoon-fed thieves from the past, cheaters of history, cheaters of time, cheaters of ancestries, cheaters of culture, the establishment. They're real and they're evil. And they keep from us the information that the architects left for us to better ourselves. They hoard for themselves, the establishment. Never forget this.